Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to speed up Asana with keyboard shortcuts. If you're managing multiple projects and tasks daily, these shortcuts will dramatically reduce the time you spend clicking through menus and help you navigate Asana like a pro. First, head over to Asana and open your workspace. The beauty of keyboard shortcuts is that they work from almost anywhere within the app, so you can use them whether you're viewing a project, browsing your task list, or looking at your dashboard. Let's start with one of the most useful shortcuts, creating tasks quickly. Press Tab plus Q and you'll see a quick task creation menu pop up instantly. This shortcut bypasses the need to navigate to a specific project first. Simply enter your task name, select the assignee, choose which project it belongs to, and add any optional details like a description or attachments. This is a massive time saver when you need to capture ideas or action items on the fly. Now, when you're working inside a project and need to organize your tasks better, press Tab plus N to create a new section. Sections help you group related tasks together, and being able to add them without reaching for your mouse keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. For task assignment, Asana offers two incredibly handy shortcuts. If you select a task and press Tab plus M, it will instantly assign that task to yourself. This is perfect for quickly claiming tasks you want to take ownership of. If you need to assign it to someone else instead, press Tab plus A and you'll get a menu to select from your team members. Sometimes you need to focus on a single task without distractions. Select any task and press Tab plus X to open it in full screen mode. This gives you a clean, focused view where you can see all the task details, comments, and subtasks without the clutter of your project list. Need to find something quickly? Press Tab plus / to open the search bar instantly. This lets you search for tasks, projects, or teammates without navigating away from your current view. Asana also includes an AI assistant to help with task creation and project planning. Press Tab plus J to open the Asana AI assistant, which can help you draft task descriptions, break down complex projects, or generate ideas. Finally, if you want to explore even more shortcuts, press Ctrl plus / to view a complete list of all available keyboard shortcuts in Asana. This menu is your reference guide for mastering Asana's efficiency tools. The key to making these shortcuts second nature is regular practice. Start by memorizing the 3 or 4 you'll use most often, then gradually add more to your routine. Within a week, you'll notice a significant improvement in how quickly you can manage your work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.